Move over, millennials. A new generation is on the rise, and today MTV has given it a name: the Founders. The cable network, once known for music videos, said it polled more than 1,000 teens aged 13 to 14 years with a list of 5 possible names for their generation. And the Founder generation came up on top. In a press release, MTV said the name reflects a feeling among today's teens that their predecessor, a generation known as the Millennials, have disrupted the traditional social order. The task of today's teens, says MTV, is to build a new one. According to the cable network, 90% of 13 to 14-year-olds say, "My generation is going to start a new society where diversity is accepted and encouraged." Whether or not the name will stick remains to be seen, but if it does, the Founders will be the first age group named by a multinational media brand. Historically, generations derive their names inadvertently from writers, journalists, or artists. Generation X took its name from a novel by author Douglas Copeland. Generation Y followed, though they're now more commonly referred to as Millennials, a term popularized by writers William Strauss and Neil Howe in their 1987 book, Generations. But this isn't new. The so-called Beat Generation got its name from legendary writer Jack Kerouac, who, it should be noted, never watched MTV.